75% reservation. 75% reservation in the private sector in Haryana. It's promised more employment, but will it also discourage investors in the state of Haryana? Tonight, industry leaders, the CII, FICCI, several industry bodies are cautioning the Haryana, the Khattar government on the controversial law that has been passed. Here's what the law states, and then we debate.
75% का जो बिल उसका गवर्नर साहब के पास भेजा हुआ था राज्यपाल के संतुति के लिए, तो राज्यपाल साहब ने आज ही संतुति करके वो दे दिया है, लौटा दिया है। उसके बाद की जो प्रक्रिया होती है नोटिफिकेशन की, बहुत जल्दी शीघ्र वो नोटिफाई हो जाएगा और वो एक बिल के रूप में वो आगे बढ़ेगा।
On Tuesday, Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar announced that the governor approved the law on quota for jobs in private sector. As per the bill, there will be 75% reservation for job seekers from Haryana in the private sector and will be applicable for jobs with salary less than 50,000 rupees. The reservation policy will be applicable for at least 10 years. But this policy has created a stir in private sector.
I empathize with the government of Haryana because every government has to make sure that the people of the particular state get as many jobs as possible. They have to do it because that's their obligation. And I think companies in every state have to make sure that to the best of the ability, based on the norms, without compromising on merit or whatever criteria, they give jobs to the locals of that particular state.
Industry bodies are raising a red flag on what they feel would be the repercussions of the law.
ये उनका व्यू पॉइंट है कि बहुत फ्लैगशिप डिसीजन है। फ्लैगशिप डिसीजन वो होता है जो कि प्रदेश के अंदर तरक्की दे, एम्प्लॉयमेंट दे, रेवेन्यू जनरेट करे, बेसिक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बनाए, वो फ्लैगशिप होता है। न कि काम को रोके, एक अंकुश लगाए, इंस्पेक्टर राज को बढ़ाए और काम को घटाने के प्रयास करने का हम फ्लैगशिप नहीं मानते।
Today, after the pandemic and demonetization and GST come, industry has to grow. Grow in what? Not like this. Okay, local people has to be preferred, but not up to the 50,000 rupee salary. Whereas it can, if it is made say 20,000 and less, then yes, I can agree.
The reservation in private sector was a key poll promise of BJP ally JJP. So is there a chance to re-examine the law?
All these points were well discussed in 8 rounds of discussion across the state. And after that, this result has come out. And I think we thank the governor today for implementing the 75% law in the state and coming session.
Will the reservation law that cuts down chances of merit-based appointments promise development or deter investors? Let's debate.